Hello and welcome to another how-to video. Today I'll be showing you how to make a very delicious coffee from your Nescafe Dolce Gusto machine. Now you've got the convenience with the Nescafe Dolce Gusto to put a capsule in and it produces the coffee, all well and good. However, you may find that, for example, the flat white is not strong enough for you, coffee-wise, or the Americano is not the same without the milk. So what I've come to realize is that the combination of an Americano Intenso capsule, like this, and a flat white capsule, like this, these can be combined into what I would call the ideal cup of coffee. The first step is to place your cup under the machine and make sure you've turned on the machine and it's green here. Then you lift this here, take out the little tray and put in your Americano Intenso first. That's how I prefer to do it. Put that in like that, and then you turn it on hot water to the right. Now usually I tend to fill up the cup with around halfway with the Americano Intenso, like so, because you don't want to lose the intensity by having too much water. So just stop that, and then you lift up this, and then you add the flat white capsule, like so. Put that back into the machine, to the right again, hot water, and this will now top it up with a delicious milky coffee, flat white style. And I find the combination of the Americano Intenso and the flat white gives you the best combination of coffee that you can. Also, you can try other combinations, of course, but for me, after trying different combinations, this is what I would recommend. Well, we hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have and you found it helpful, then please like, share and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.